Alright, what's going on, guys? Trev back again, here to bring you another video. This one's going to be doing a video review for Naruto chapter 604, which is called Meet Again, and then ... So pretty much this review is going to contain spoilers, so anybody who has not read the chapter, I highly recommend you read it first, then come back and watch the video review. So this was an amazing chapter for me. Naruto has been just crazy lately in terms of the climax that it's been on for such a long period of time. I like that Kishi sort of mixed in all that fighting and action and battle with backstory and character development as well, so that it's not just all constant action all the time. We've got a flashback now where we're getting to learn some new things about Tobi or Obito, whichever name you prefer, and how he sort of became how he is. And I think a lot of people kind of had a feeling that this was similar to what was going to happen. But I don't think almost anybody would have predicted that this exactly would happen, which of course is that Obito arrives there and sees Kakashi with a Chidori through Rin's heart. Wow. And especially the way that it was drawn too, like as Obito is traveling there and he's coming into view, his other eye, sort of because it's in, Kakashi's head, obviously, gave him vision for a second of what Kakashi was seeing, which I thought was a really neat choice and really neat effect to do. And he sort of didn't know what it was, or he didn't understand what was happening, or maybe he thought he was delusional or something. And so, he arrives there, and then he sees at the end of the chapter Kakashi with that through her. Now, we do know that he was fighting, Kakashi and Rin were fighting the Hidden Mist, Ninja of the Mist, so it's very possible that maybe with that new eye, Kakashi hadn't worked out all the details yet, and this could be a misfire, you know what I'm saying? So he could have actually thought that he was going to Chidori one of the, Mist Ninja, and because he couldn't see, or he was using his Sharingan eye, maybe he accidentally hit Rin, which would be crazy if that was, that'd be like the ultimate misfire if you've ever heard of it. But it looks like, to me, if I had to make a prediction, I'd say that's probably what happened. I mean, he wouldn't just obviously do it on purpose. It must have been a mistake. And wow, crazy. So I love the chapter. Not too much else really happened in the chapter. One other thing to note is that Madara told Obito that he would be coming back because he just said, you'll thank me when you do come back, because it sounds like to me Obito can't really leave that spot. He needs that chakra, and he needs to always go back there to the Meizo to get it. He can't really just go back to his normal life, because obviously half of his body is not even real. It's animated chakra, nature chakra, to create that Zetsu clone that's attached to the other side of his body, basically. Which is pretty cool too, and I kind of thought that was how they were going to go with that. So it was a great chapter. I thought I'm going to give it a perfect 10 out of 10. I thought it was amazing. And you guys might be asking why I'm wearing a muscle shirt for this video. Somebody in my last video comments I have weights that are right over there, and somebody's like, "Do you even work out?" So this is to answer your question. Yes, obviously I do work out, and we'll just leave it at that. So anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you for the next one. It's Trev saying peace.